Alright, today on Crazed Performance Repair I have a very important announcement to make regarding the displacement on demand. I'm not even going to bother editing the video. This is just going to be a straight up raw cut of a video, so I'm going to go ahead and get straight into it. You can see right here I have the stock valley plate that goes in that area, so if you do the little trick with the tool and the hammer and get that lifter to release, rather than risk having the bad Vlon plate or get it the new one and modify it so that it will relieve the oil pressure, I just realized that you could take this one and modify it to do just as good a job, and it's not going to take very much to modify. In fact, it'll take a little bit less work if you know how to do it than what it'll take to modify the other one, and you're not having to buy a new one and cut into a brand new one. So I'm going to go ahead and get started here. What we're going to do is we're going to take the gasket here. Now you could buy a replacement gasket for this. A lot of like head gasket kits and stuff, they'll come with just the outer shell of this gasket for when you replace it, so I believe you can get it that way. But what you need to do, take a snips, cut all these little branches. So I'm cutting all the ones that hold the centerpiece in. Okay, and I'm going to remove that center section. That's if you get the gasket that has all them center pieces. Now, this guy is ready to be reused as just a gasket. Just like so. You can see the gasket sitting there. And by doing this, now those ports that you cannot let build oil pressure because they'll activate the displacement on demand. Doing this, you have to turn off displacement on demand. There's no question about it, by the way. For those of you who haven't paid attention to my previous videos, make sure you check them out. I'll throw the links above to the most critical ones. It'll pop up across the top of the screen here. And be sure to check those videos out. I will have plenty of them linked above. I'm also going to go through all my other videos a little bit later after this video, so this will be out first. Keep that in mind. And make sure I edit all my commentary and update anything that I have put in there relating to this valley plate and what to do with it. So this is the original one. Again, we're going to go ahead and we're modifying this. Now the only problem with cutting that out is now the oil feed right here, this hole, is going to be bleeding through this hole right over here. So what we need to do is we need to drill this and plug the hole. Now what I would suggest doing is finding a tap, pipe tap that's really close, and pipe tapping it and putting a pipe plug in there. And if you do that, this valley plate is now just letting the oil pressure relief into the valley cover area, and you can use this valley plate with the displacement on demand turned off, factory pump, factory lifters. You've just knocked that lifter that was bad out with the little hammer trick. Again, link above, and it should be good to go. So, quick little video clip for you guys on a update as far as the valley cover goes. Now, I'm going to go into the new valley cover if you were to go that route, just in case for people who are not aware. You do have to take, now they have a little circle here, it's got a O-ring gasket, and you will have to take and cut a relief groove in there to allow the oil pressure to be released. That oil pressure that you're releasing is for these ports right here. So these ports, you cannot let build pressure on a displacement on demand LS-based style engine. It will activate those lifters, and then next thing you know, you're kind of SOL and you have to put the tool in there and hit it again, and it's just a total disaster. So if the tool trick works for you, be sure to look into taking care of that valley cover, get the displacement on demand turned off, and with that, I hope to see you on another video soon, and I'm also hoping to go live again somewhat soon because that went a lot better than I expected it to. So thanks for watching, and I, again, hope to see you on another video.